In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize form submissions in Webflow to streamline your communications and ensure you never miss an important message again. Now, let's dive right into the process. To get started, you'll first need to open Webflow and navigate to your specific site where you'd like to make these changes. Once you're there, go ahead and click on Site Settings. You'll find this option right there on your main site dashboard. This is where you can adjust a variety of settings and preferences that tailor your site to your specific needs. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the page and you'll see a list of options. Go ahead and click on Forms. This section is crucial as it allows you access to all things related to form submissions. Just a quick note before we proceed. You need to have an active hosting plan on Webflow to fully customize these settings. If you haven't set that up yet, you might want to pause this video and take care of that first, as it's a necessary step to proceed with the customizations. Once you're in the Forms section, you'll see there's plenty you can customize to ensure everything's working just the way you'd like it to. Begin by setting the sender name. This option lets you define whose name will appear as the sender of your form submissions when you receive an email. It's a nice touch that can help with branding and clarity, so choose something that makes sense for your site. Next, there's the Send Form Submission To field. This is a key setting because this is where you input the email address that should receive your form submissions. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid missing any important communications from your site visitors. Then, look at the subject line. Customizing the subject line is important to help quickly identify what the email is about when it arrives in your inbox. Use something descriptive and clear, as this will make managing your emails much easier in the long run. Don't forget about the Reply To address. This is the email where replies will be sent if someone responds directly to your notification email. Finally, explore the Email Templates section. Here's where you can tweak how the email will look when it arrives, allowing a bit of creativity and utility to shine through. Once everything is set to your satisfaction, go ahead and click the Save button. Saving confirms your settings and ensures your preferences are safely stored. By doing this, you enable your site to send email notifications right to your inbox, keeping you informed and responsive to your visitors' needs. And there you have it. With these settings in place, you're all set to handle form submissions with ease and professionalism. Thanks for tuning in today, and make sure to keep exploring how Webflow can work for you.